In this video, you'll learn how to convert Google Drive links to a CSV file so you can easily organize, share, or import them into other tools. We'll start right inside Google Drive, move everything into Google Sheets, and then export it as a CSV, all using built-in options. Follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll have a clean CSV file containing all your links. First, head over to Google Drive in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, you'll see your usual list of folders and files. Navigate to the folder that contains the files whose links you want to convert. You can click through your folders on the left-hand side or in the main window, just like you normally would when looking for a document. When you've opened the correct folder, you're going to copy the shareable links for the files you want included in your CSV. To do that, right-click on a file and choose Get Link. A small window will appear with a shareable link. Click Copy Link to copy it to your clipboard, then close that little window. Repeat this process for each file you want to include. Right-click, select Get Link, then click Copy Link. Take your time here and make sure you only collect the links you actually want in your final CSV. Now that you have your links, it's time to move over to Google Sheets, which we'll use as a simple way to organize them before exporting. Open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Sheets. Create a new blank spreadsheet. You'll see an empty grid made of rows and columns. Click into the first cell where you want to store your links, usually the top left one. Paste your first Google Drive link there, then move down to the next row in the same column and paste the next link. Continue pasting each copied link into its own row in that same column. The key idea is to have one link per row stacked vertically. This structure is what makes your CSV file clean and easy to use later in other applications. Once all your links are in place and you're satisfied with the list, you're ready to download it as a CSV file. At the top left of the screen, click on File. A menu will open, hover over or click Download. This will show you several different file format options. From that list, choose comma-separated values, which you'll see labeled as .csv. As soon as you click this option, Google Sheets will generate a CSV version of your sheet and automatically download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it will either go into your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. At this point, all of the Google Drive links you pasted into the sheet are now saved as a CSV file. You can open it with a text editor, another spreadsheet program, or upload it to any tool that accepts CSV files. This makes it much easier to manage large collections of links, share them with others, or import them into databases and automation tools. That's all there is to it, starting from Google Drive, collecting your links, placing them in Google Sheets, and exporting them as a CSV file in just a few clicks.